You know, I really believe, you don't know until you test it, but I think I really believe I'd run in there even if I didn't have a weapon.
Would try to
but I'm not good for medical. You know, in other words, like if you cut your finger and there's blood pouring out,
you're gone.
I'm gone.
Right. Good idea, by the way.
Like I'll tell you what. I was at Mar-a-Lago and we had this incredible ball, the Red Cross ball, in Florida, in Palm Beach, Florida, and we had the Marines, and the Marines were there, and it was terrible because, you know, all these rich people, they're only there. They're not there. They're there to support the Marines.
Right.
But they're really there to get their picture in the Palm Beach Post. You know, the papers, okay, the shiny sheet.
Right.
So you have all these really rich people, and a man, about 80 years old, very wealthy man, a lot of people didn't like him, he fell off the stage.
Wow.
And the Marines were given the worst table at the whole place. You know, they gave the worst table in the whole place to the Marines. And we're celebrating the Marines. There's like 10 Marines. And everybody else has the good table. They don't even know what the Marines are. They never heard of the Marines. They couldn't care less.
They're too rich. They're living in the
they're giving their $100,000 a table, but they don't even know where the money's going. They couldn't care less, all right? So what happens is this guy falls off right on his face, hits his head, and I thought he died. And you know what I did? I said, oh, my God, that's disgusting, and I turned away. I couldn't, you know, he was right in front of me. I turned away. I didn't want to touch him. The Marines, this is a great thing.
Somebody clean that up.
No, the Marines, he's bleeding all over the place. I felt terribly. You know, beautiful marble floor, didn't look so good. It changed color. It became very red. And you have this poor guy, 80 years old, laying on the floor, unconscious. And all of the rich people are turning away. Oh, my God, this is terrible. This is disgusting. And, you know, they're turning away. Nobody wants to help the guy. His wife is screaming. She's sitting right next to him. She's screaming. What happens is these 10 Marines from the back of the room, they were so far back. You know, it's a huge ballroom, Mar-a-Lago. You've been there.
I've seen it.
So from the back of the room, they come running forward. They grab them. They put the blood all over the place. It's all over their uniforms. They're taking it. They're swipe. They ran them out. They created a stretcher. They call it a human stretcher. Where they put their arms out.
Yes.
Like 5 guys on each side. They ran them out. I never saw it. They ran like...
You would never do that.
I was saying, get that blood cleaned up. It's disgusting.
You wouldn't shake hands with him.
In fact, I forgot to call the next half. I forgot to call to say, is he okay? He was okay.
Yeah.
It's just not my thing.